Hey kids, we are out of the city finally. Provincial parks are open. National parks in Canada not quite open yet. That happens at the beginning of June. Right now we're at the end of May. We are in Kananaskis country. We're in one of my secret little spots called Mount Lorette Ponds. It's actually a series of little fishing ponds that you can bring your family out for day use. There's picnic areas and stuff. But we're going to find some place to shoot. What I'm thinking of is this. I'm thinking of shooting this way to catch that little bridge. I don't know if that mountain will light up or not. I doubt it will, but we're going to head this way and see what else we can find. We're about an hour and a half outside of Calgary and near the Nikiska Ski Hill, Kananaskis village. I don't know if you can tell in the water, but all those little ripples are fish. In fact, there's a mom and son just down over there catching fish. I actually think that this location is better for sunrise photography than it is for sunset photography, but they just lifted the restrictions and I needed to get out. To smell that mountain air, to hear the animals, deer on the highway when I came in, there was a beaver, fish are jumping, the water's like glass. I love the Rocky Mountains. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm going to try to darken this. There's a school of fish right there. That's crazy. After getting over there and checking out that spot, I don't really like it. So unfortunately, the Alpine Glow is happening this way, not the way I'm going to shoot. That mountain is not going to light up today in Alpine. So it's kind of a dud for where I want to shoot. But I'm going to keep walking this direction to see if maybe we can get that shooting back this way to light up. I can't get the mountain glow. So after scouting it out, I'm on the opposite side of the bridge that I was going to be at. So the color in the sky is really turning a nice shade. Let me just darken this exposure down for you so you can see what's happening in the sky. We'll go about there. So we're just getting some nice tones. It's not going to burst into fire in the sky at all. The real glow is happening there, but like I said, nothing really I want to shoot this way. I just like this composition. I love these clouds. The reflection, that is so tasty. Got a little buddy tonight, little beaver, making his way. Kind of ruining my composition because he's making waves in my water, but I guess technically it's his water now, isn't it? I'm going to brighten this up so you guys can see him a bit better. Oh, he just went under. He's right there. Just amazing. So let's go back over here and show you this composition I've got going on. Darken this a bit. That's the bridge I was going to shoot. I'm actually on the other side of it. I was going to be on the far side shooting this way, but I decided to stay on this side and get this mountain. I like the clouds that are coming across that mountain peak. All right, guys, 1/15 of a second, f8. ISO's 100. That mountain peak right there is just starting. Let me get focused. Just catching a little bit of light right there. So we'll pop this shot and see what we get here. I'm hoping that in a couple of minutes it will catch a little more light and get some nice alpine glow. But that's actually not too bad right now. Composition is pretty simple and straightforward. There's no real subject matter in the front of the frame and the bottom of the frame and anchor. So I'm just using the clouds on the water as my foreground subject. The water is like glass here. There's the bridge, the mountain up there. Hopefully we're going to get some glow here. The glow is actually happening there right now, but there's nothing here at all except that beaver. One thing I'm going to try to do is change my camera orientation. Right now I'm in landscape. I'm going to flip it, go vertical, go portrait, and let's see what that looks like. I'm putting the horizon in the top third of the frame to get more of the reflection on the water. I'm going to emphasize that reflection on the water. Settings are still the same. 1/15 of a second, f8, ISO's 100, 2-second timer. I'm focusing on the tree line in the water for this shot. Polarizer set just to give us a little bit of color. Doing a 3-shot bracket. That's pretty darn tasty. This video, you're seeing it in horizontal landscape mode, but I'm shooting in vertical mode, and I'm going to put the horizon in the top third because I really love these clouds, like I said earlier. What I'm going to do is I'm going to focus stack this. I'm going to focus here on these clouds, then I'm going to focus about on this tree line, and then I'll focus on the mountains up top here. Then in editing, I'll stack those images together, blend them all together, and get everything in nice tack sharp focus. Just listen to that. Okay, so here we go. First shot is going to be focused on the clouds. Second shot's going to be focused kind of on this area here where the tree line is on the water. And then the last shot will be on the mountains. Focus stack it, put it all together in post. Let's pop the shot and go for it.
I love that you can see the bottom of the pond and the reflections of the clouds on the water at the same time in this photo. With a little bit of work in Lightroom, the final image, I love it. To finish it all off, I shot a 3-shot panel that I didn't film on the video.
This is my first time out into the mountains in about 6 weeks. And it's like drinking from fresh well water for the first time. If you're a landscape photographer or somebody who just likes heading out to the mountains, there's no substitute for being out here and seeing that. No matter where you are, just get outside if you can. In the meantime and in between time, stay healthy, stay safe. I'll catch you next time. And as always, guys, hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. Don't forget to ring the bells for notification.